The helicopter, I think the biggest benefit it brings is, we joke that it's a time machine, but it really is. Not so much because you're trying to enhance your productivity of the day, although that's a great benefit, but it's what it gives you back at the end, right? It's that time to spend with family, and those hours, you don't get those back. Being able to bring the family together towards the end of the day, I think is what the most appreciated part the helicopter gives us. I've always been in aviation, but something drew me to helicopters. That magic carpet ride, it's unlike anything. For me, it was sort of the ultimate freedom. I'm Christian Palmaz. I fly the Bell 429. My family owns and operates 3 companies here in California. One, Palmaz Vineyards here in the Napa Valley, a material science company based in Silicon Valley, and also a Wagyu cattle ranch in the High Sierras. The ranch is an incredibly beautiful place, and the family loves to enjoy it personally. The Bell 429 is a perfect platform. It has that safety that I look for in order to feel confident taking the family up to the ranch. Drive to the ranch alone can be about 4.5 hours on a good day. Add in icy roads and winter environments, and that can actually become kind of an unsafe situation if you do it every single weekend. The aircraft turns that 4.5 hour drive into about 50-minute flight. And not only that, but you're doing it in the best time of day, best weather. You're getting to choose that time. You're getting in there and you have your whole day. I have the pleasure of being able to experience the aircraft from the front seat, but actually the back seat, I think, is the best ride in the house. It's quiet. The aircraft has really excellent seating layout, and it really allows them to feel safe and comfortable and aware of what's going on. Big windows, a lot of visibility to the outside. They really become a part of the flight, and you really enjoy being back there as well. My son particularly loves helicopters. As he's been growing up, taking a little more time in the left seat with me, asking a lot of questions. Hopefully, when he gets a little bit older, he'll be right there ready for his first solo when he turns 16. Family for us is everything. It's almost a way of being able to have the ultimate reward, right? To not just share what you create every day with your kids, but also to learn from your parents as well. So, being able to have these 3 generations working side by side together, kind of for all the same unified goal is the ultimate for me.